It definitely shifted some. It said we were an inch low in the front. We're going up 11 inches, so it's going to take a minute. I do every so often have to click the button on that thing to keep it from going to sleep. That battery brick, like every couple minutes. I guess if we did enough rentals, it might make it worth it to put an auto leveling system on it at some point.
That's also an old unit, so at some point,
yeah,
upgrading it too much means more to go wrong.
More to go wrong, but it does save time. I mean, this guy here, yes, we got the little LevelMate on it that's telling us how much to do. But I have to get it, you have to get it perfect, and you have to go drive back and forth. With the auto leveling thing, you just get it close.
I mean, it's definitely easier setting ours up.
Being able to click hitch height and have it retract all the rear ones. Click the button again. Have it be able to retract all the rear ones and then put the front up is really handy. Five inches to go. Hello.
I'm gonna be taller.
Yeah. Can't see it, but at least it's not cow patties.
Yeah. And it's not that spear grass from that last time. Oh, I made that spear grass was in my pants forever. Like picking at it.
2.5 inches. So why do we have the generator on while we're doing this?
Because it's running the lift.
Yeah. But more importantly, it gives it a lot more oomph, and so it goes a lot quicker running higher voltage.
Because you could do it with just the battery.
Yes. It's even more important when we're detaching from the truck, but
it went from where I had to duck to where I'm
we're good now.
It's good?
Yep. Oh yeah. So I mean, we have to go a little higher. We have to go a little higher because of this the gooseneck adapter we have on there. Is it locked?
Use your pocket.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, it wasn't locked. It's just hard. Okay, here.
That stupid little catch that's got to it.
Yeah.
All right.
I need to move these guys.
Well, before that, go get the camera, the backup camera from inside, so when you get up in there, you can put it in. It's probably on the floor in the back seat, wherever the kids put it. You gotta hold the button, not there, you put on the back behind the window.
Oh, okay.
But you gotta hold the button on the side for about 5 seconds and let go, and it should turn red on the front.
Okay. Oh, you want it here?
Yeah, magnet's right there in the middle. That way it makes it easier for me to back up and get a bearing on which way I need to turn. I'll get the generator out of here one of these days, but
Yeah, that's in the center.
perfect. All right, then now it's my turn. Lowering the gooseneck. My beautiful assistant. Yeah, I have a love-hate relationship with the Gen Y hitch here. Like the gooseneck, the Gen Y executive gooseneck adapter. It's great. Like, the main reason we got it is so I don't have to have the fifth wheel in the bed, but also when we go to areas that have a not very level campground, this gives a lot more left and right motion. Like, we have a spot in near Canyon Lake on the Guadalupe, down in the area where we go tubing, and it is such an angle. Like, when we came in one time with the fifth wheel, it was creaking and bending the frame of the camper trying to get it up in this tight spot. So we got this guy, and it works much better, but it makes it a little harder to get off the gooseneck. I kind of have to back it up and take the take the pressure off of it, and then usually she'll go back and put the wheel chock underneath it so that the camper doesn't move. And then we take the and then we lift it up off there. Depending on how strong your electric or hydraulic lift is, it's not a big deal. But the truck, if I don't back it up some, will usually push forward, you know, maybe a couple, 2 or 3 inches after we're unhooking, so it shows what a bind is under. Anyways, this camper here, on this is our 2018 Palomino Puma. The electric supports for it aren't as strong as like the other one, like on our Grand Design Solitude. So especially if the battery is low, it can have a hard time getting off and disconnected. So that's why we're running the generator, like we said earlier. Anyways, interesting stuff. Today I'm making the assistant do everything, almost. Because I don't want to be anywhere near the cow pie she's almost stepping in. Okay.
It looks like it, but it still needs to be lubricated better.
Yeah, we haven't done it yet.
Okay. You can reach those, right?
I can.
'Cause I can't.
You're way cuter trying than I am, though.
Okay.
Oh, the generator.
Fuel station. Yes.
I didn't get a picture of the fuel gauge, actually. Let's do that quick. Thank you. Just that way we make sure that whatever we charge, there's ample evidence so that, you know, nobody has to question any charges that end up on the bill.
I can't close this guy until you pull up because you're at an angle.
Yep.
And then I guess the power cord's the only thing.
Yeah, I'll get that real quick.
I just can't see it.
Mm-hmm.
So, thank you. All right.
The only one we got is the rear one, right? Okay.
We only have one chock under it. And it's the rear, so when you pull forward, I'll grab it.
Okay.
Then I'll close the propane thing too.
Okay.
Not propane, battery compartment.
I'm just gonna pull all the way forward off the pieces of wood too.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, that was a nice picture of the ground right there instead of what I was doing. But I took the wood that was under the tires to level it left to right and put that in the back of the truck. And I do not know why it can't find me. Like literally right here. See? Look. Hey, little guy. This thing sometimes. Whatever. One last walk around, I guess. Actually, I did that already. Guess we're ready.
Hopefully whoever rented it this weekend had a good time. I think it was a side-by-side race of some sort.
That's how we found it, so that's how we leave it.
They did have the lock behind it.
Oh.
I guess to make it a little less visible that it's not locked. Good, all done. Time to head home. You can get a lot of it off in the grass over here.
But then I have to go through mud to get to that.
Yeah. Picked up another extra 6 inches of height.
Not 6. I would have noticed that.
I mean, you do wear heels. Time to go.